Hello guys, I'm looking at the tactics assignment. There were some questions, so I'm going to go over a sample problem. So I'm going to click this link here. It brings me to the assignment. This isn't the first page, but this is where you need to go. So the DNA strand is opposite. Remember, A matches with T and C matches with G. So it's a C, so I'm going to write a G, and then it's a T, and then it's a C, because they match up. So the next one is T, so we write an A. It's a C, so we match a G, and it's a G, so we match a C. And the last one's all T's, so I'm going to write all A's. So that's how the DNA strands match up. The mRNA for this, it matches up the exact same way. The only difference is instead of writing a T, you write a U. So here it's a TG, you just write a UG. So it's going to be G, U, C, A, G, C, A, A. So it's exactly the same, except for wherever I had to write a T, I write a U. The next thing is you need to figure out the amino acids. The first one's GUC. So I'm going to go back here, and I'll go to my codon chart. I believe it is slide 12. Yep. And it was GUC. So I'm going to go over here. The first one is a G. The second one is a U. So G and U go here, and GUC is right here. GUC's amino acid is Val. So I'm going to write Val. Okay. AGC. So I'd find AGC. A, G. AGC is Ser, so SER. And then triple A, AAA. AAA, A, A, A is LYS, LYS. So I'm going to write LYS. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I have to figure out my phenotype, what it looks like. It's a Val-Ser-LYS. So I'm going to scroll up. Val-Ser-LYS is right here. So that means it is hairy. So I'm going to write hairy. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Okay. The next thing you have to do is you have to now match the tRNA strand. The tRNA strand is very similar to the DNA strand one because it needs to match up with this, but we use U's whenever we're talking about RNA. So for this one, it's whenever we write a T, it's actually going to be a U. So it needs to match up with this. So it's going to be C, A, G. Okay. U, C, G, and then U, U, U. So remember, C's goes with, I'm looking at these two strands. G goes with C's. A's goes with U's because there's no T's. C and G. A goes with U's. CG, CG, A, U, U, U. Another way to think about it is this and this will be exactly the same, except for wherever you see a T, write a U. But that's how you do it, and you just go through all the genes, and once you're done with all the genes, you're going to answer the questions, and draw a picture. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or refer back to the previous week's assignment. And it's going from DNA to RNA to the amino acids. Thanks, guys.